Welcome back friends. Today in this video I will show you the features of analyzer that is Liaison X diazorin. This analyzer is used as a immunology analyzer and hormone analyzer also. So I will show you the features of this machine. As you can see the name Liaison X by Diazorin company. This machine is by look maybe it feels very big and difficult to use, but actually it's very easy to use and handle. That is power on button, and these are connections to used as a USB connection, printer connection for that. And first of all we will start from right hand. Inside there is a CPU that is connected for monitor, and we can power on the machine from this side. There are two solutions used for this machine. One is voice solution, that is we will prepare with buffer, and other is distilled water. And the red keys, there was waste cuvettes coming, means solid waste. And left side there is liquid waste coming for this machine, and when we will pull this tray out we can see the one bottle behind, that is cleaning solution. Liquinox is used and diluted, and we can use it as a cleaning solution, and that cleaning process is done as weekly basis, daily basis and monthly basis. So now I will show you the first of all from upper cover I will open. Basically we will not open this cover working time specially, but just for the demonstration purpose I will open and I will show you inside of the machine. If you will see the left side, the cuvettes are coming from that tray, and after that there are here we will put the cuvette back, and cuvettes will go to the tray, and that cuvettes are used for the test purpose. And then you can see we will put the tips, and these two probes, one is used for the dispensing purpose and one is used for the carrying of cuvettes, tips. Here we can keep the disposable tips, as these are empty trays, and we will refill. Actually it depends on the number of tests. If you are getting more tests, then you can refill all the trays, but if you are getting less, then no need to refill because of contamination. Here we can keep the samples, and this is the reagent tray. Here we will keep the reagents, and in one time you can keep 25 reagents. And the position A, as you can see, A stands for ancillary reagent, that is used for HCV. And 10 racks of samples you can keep, and in each rack you can keep 10 samples. This is the main screen of the machine. As you can see, event is blinking because I opened the cover, that's why that event came. So just I will acknowledge that event. And the first section is loading. In that you can see there is 10 racks we can keep for samples. And second is results. There we can see which result is ongoing, which is done. And in events, if anything will happen, it will come in events. In definitions we can enter the control. In system we can see the QC and diagnostic. There is some maintenance procedures, and maintenance, there will be all maintenance option. And last one section was status. In that status you can see all reagents, how much quantity, even waste, how much left, that all things we can see. And in system, now I will show you the how the graph will come for hepatitis profile BCI. So these are the graphs that machine will show. So these are the basic features of Liaison diazorin, and that how this machine is used. Working of this machine I will show you later, but this machine is by look, as I told, maybe will feel complicated or difficult to use, but actually it's very easy to handle, and you can run more samples. So I hope you like the introduction of Liaison diazorin. I will meet you with new lecture. Until that, take care.